So how can you fix the location and not found on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, well, definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, it doesn't matter which type of app you are using, but if an app tries to access your location, you get the pop-up to decide whether you want to allow it or not. But the thing is that you can change it later in the settings as well. The point is that you go to the settings, then check out the privacy and security section, and at the top of the list you have location services. You want to ensure it is turned on generally across the board, but not only that, you also need to manage it app by app specifically. For example, I like to have my apps to access my location while I'm using the app, right? It makes sense. But you have some other options. Perhaps you have it set to never, which will not allow your iPhone to find the location, which might be causing your issue. So you can set it to while using the app or even always, which means that even after you leave the application, it will still be able to track your location. As I say, it might be a good idea for some apps like maps or weather even, but it may not be a good idea for other apps. That's why you can manage it by yourself, decide how exactly you want to keep it, and go app by app to decide how you want to have it. One last thing I want you to know about is the toggle for precise location. And this just lets the app access your exact location on the map. Otherwise, if you have it turned off, it will only access the approximate location. So again, for some apps, it might be something else that makes sense, so it depends on how you have it. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it useful. Stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.